Hello Capricorn, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Capricorn, this is your reading for the next 3 months and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Capricorn, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know. Capricorn, for the next 3 months. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. Okay, let's see what you need to know, Capricorn, for the next 3 months. If you're interested in getting done a private reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section. So, Capricorn, what do you need to know? We have Nine of Wands, Ace of Swords, Page of Swords, the Five of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, we have Four of Cups. You might be dealing with uh, Pisces, Cancer. You might be dealing with Aquarius, Scorpio, another Capricorn, Sagittarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might be seeing a lot of 999, 222, 555, right? I think Capricorn for the next 3 months, uh, you'll find yourself doing a lot of different things, things that you had not even imagined that you would be doing. Okay, a lot of unexpected things and situations. Okay, uh, you probably felt like so far, as far as the current energy is concerned, maybe you're feeling stuck. Maybe you are experiencing some sort of stagnancy in your life. Maybe you're feeling like whatever is happening, it's happening because I don't know the way forward, or I don't have the necessary clarity. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know in which direction I'm supposed to head. Okay. I don't know what my life purpose is. Whatever I am doing or I have been doing so far in my life, whether it is in terms of my career, my professional life, whether it is concerned with my love and relationships, whatever it is, it's not giving me the desired happiness. I want to be happy and I am struggling to find happiness in my life. I'm looking for that clarity which will help me become happy all over again. Okay. And you will slowly understand as situations will unfold in your life. You will slowly understand that so far whatever you have done in your life, those whether it is, again, whether it is related to relationships, whether it is related to your career, your professional life, you are kind of feeling like you have always tried to adhere to the norms, to the traditions, maybe traditions of the societies, or maybe you grew up in a patriarchal setup where norms and traditions and following the rules and following certain set of practices is of utmost importance. But slowly and steadily, life is pushing you towards certain circumstances, which is allowing you to explore who you truly are and what are your choices and where are you inclined, right? And you will kind of discover in the next 3 months that following traditions, following the rules is not making you happy. Breaking the rules and doing something unconventional in the eyes of the society, okay, that is something that will make you happy. Say for example, okay, it is a worldwide popular thing that if you are grown up in an Indian household, okay, Every parent has this expectation that a son or a daughter will become a doctor or an engineer. Nowadays many people are becoming liberal, but this is what the Indian parents usually think. And you grew up in that, with that mindset. You even enrolled for an engineering degree, you are an engineer, but you're doing a job related to your field of engineering, but you're not happy with that. And then all of a sudden you get an invitation through your friends, like, okay, come on, let's attend this fashion show, okay? And you go and attend that fashion show, and then you realize, like, oh my god, this is so fascinating, this is so amazing. Maybe this is what I want to be. I want to be a fashion designer, or I want to be a model. I want to walk down that ramp. Something of that sort you might discover. So, certain situations might happen which will help you discover what you truly want to be. What is your life purpose? Where life is wanting to take you. Okay. This is just an example. For some of you, maybe you have dated people with, people of age in and around your age. For example, if you are 25 and you have usually dated people who are 1 year younger to you or 1 year elder to you and something of that sort. But now you will find yourself getting attracted towards people with a very solid age gap. Say, for example, you're 25 and you're feeling attracted towards someone who is 35, who is 40, okay, or who is 45. So something of that sort will happen, or get, things will unfold in the next 3 months. You will start to discover yourself. You are becoming different, you're breaking away from the norms. That's what I see for the next 3 months. Okay, you will get the necessary clarity, which will eventually lead towards your happiness. Right, now let's deep dive into the things. So talking more precisely about your love and romance. Okay, I think so. When it comes to love and romance, you're going to fall for a person where there are going to be differences for sure. Okay, there might be an age gap, or this person might belong to a different ethnicity, different, really, they might come from a different religious background, or this is going to be a long distance relationship for you. For the very first time, this is going to be a long distance relationship in your life. And you probably initially thought that this is never going to work out because of the differences, but eventually you'll get to know, like, wow, this is something I am enjoying so, so, so much. Okay, so something of that sort, something different you are going to experience. Okay, and you will kind of feel like the maturity and the stability that this person is bringing into this connection is actually giving you so much of joy, is actually making you so happy. And it will, you might initially feel with a page of souls that this is too good to be true. This is not a reality. Whatever I'm experiencing is not real. This is fake. Maybe this will end something. Maybe I'll break my heart all over again, and I'll regret this situation all over again. But that's not going to be the case. For some of you, people from the past will try to connect with you. Okay, people from the past are very, very, very eager and desperate, Capricorn, to get in touch with you, to connect with you, to reconcile with you. Someone from the past is stalking you like crazy, missing you big time. Whoever this person is from the past, this person made attempts to move on, and however they couldn't, because this person realized that they are missing you a lot, and they will try to come back in the next 3 months. I do see some communication coming your way, some text message or calls. And even if you're avoiding this person will be very much persistent. Like, you know what, no, Capricorn, I'm missing you, I want you, I regret whatever happened, and I regret my actions and this and that and all that stuff. Okay, you'll get to hear from this person very soon. That's what I'm hearing. Some of you might think of reconciling with this person, but again, at the end of the day, the separation that has happened between both of you is actually an opportunity for you to rethink about the choices. Okay, what is it that you really want? What is it that really makes you happy? Will going back to this person make you happy, or moving forward, moving on, finding someone new, will that make you happy? So I think so you will also find yourself evaluating and reevaluating your choices, and ultimately the focus is towards yourself, your own happiness. Focus is towards gaining the clarity, like what should I do and what is right for me to do. Okay. So pay attention to your intuition. There is a new person definitely that is coming towards you. Okay, the past person may try to sabotage this. The new person that is coming towards you, the connection with this person is looking very promising, Capricorn. This new person will try to build a very strong relationship with you, and I also feel like you will experience an instant connection with this person. Very likely this is a past life connection that is getting resurrected in this lifetime, and immediately you will find that you are building a very strong connection with this person. You'll feel like I've known this person since ages, and that is why there is going to be this instant connection. Like you'll feel there is even no need for me to get introduced to this person, and they don't have to introduce themselves to me. We know each other, we have known each other since ages, since many lifetimes we know each other. And it's like it's a in this lifetime as well, this connection is fated, and that's why we are meeting, right? So let's see what you need to know regarding your career, your finances for the next 3 months. Capricorn, Empress, Nine of Pentacles, fantastic. Money is looking really, really good. Yeah, Justice. And Emperor, interesting. Okay. I think so. For some of you, you're going to start something new with your counterpart or with your romantic partner, and that will give you really, that will give a major boost to your finances. Okay, you will make some insane amount of money. But otherwise also, if not partnership with anyone new, you might end up finding finding a mentor, or probably you might get a right guidance at the right time from various people which are related to your professional field, and that guidance will help you make the right amount of money, and justice is getting served, especially if you are feeling like, I have been working really hard, but I'm not getting my dues, I'm not getting the rewards, I'm not getting a commensurate remuneration. So that feeling will go away because rewards are coming your way. Also, for some of you, if you have spent a lot of money on litigation matters, you're going to get all that money back. You're going to win the litigation suits. Okay. So let's see now what you need to know regarding the person that is coming your way. What you need to know more regarding the person that is coming towards you. King of Cups and Six of Pentacles and the Star. For some of you, this person might be a celebrity. I'm telling you, you will experience an instant connection with this person, and you guys will get into the love is so strong and so deep, and it is happening since many ages. Instantly you guys will move towards each other. Okay, and you will start this connection right away. For some of you, this person might be a celebrity, or this person will put you on a pedestal, will treat you like a king or a queen. Okay. What are the current feelings about this person who is on your mind? We have memories. I swear I'm missing you badly right now. Yes. Someone from the past is definitely missing you, Capricorn. Caution. Your friends are jealous of our relationship. Beware. For some of you, the connection between you and the past person did not work out because some sort of mischief was done by a third person. Okay. Fascination, your cute smile attracts me towards you. Someone thinks that you have cute smile, and something about your eyes as well. Turning point, I never imagined our relationship will end like this person is in tremendous regret, trust me guys. All right, I hope this resonates, and hit like, share and subscribe, comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye, Capricorn. This is your spread. Okay, bye.